Trust me, a lot of people are using ChatGPT the wrong way. Some people are using ChatGPT like a normal chatbot, which is not supposed to be. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys 10 ChatGPT hidden tricks that will increase your productivity 10 times more, 20 times more, or even 100 times more, depending on how well you know how to use it. These are tricks that not a lot of people know about them, or maybe some people know about it, but they are simply not using it, or they don't know how to use it. Before we jump right in, if this is your first time here, please take a second to subscribe, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out anytime I drop another awesome video just like this. Now let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So the first ChatGPT feature we are going to be talking about is the message editor. So for example, this is the prompt or the message I'm going to give ChatGPT. I'm going to tell it to give me a prompt to create a portfolio website in Google AI Studio. Let's go ahead and run it. So if you go through and you see some mistake or things you want to add or change, instead of you to come over here in the prompt box and start typing, you can simply go over here at the top. There is this edit message here. So once you click on it, you can go ahead and add whatever you want or remove whatever you want. So instead of typing the prompt here, you can just edit the prompt and add something else. So for example, I'm going to tell ChatGPT to divide the prompt into 3. So just go ahead, click on send, and once you click on send, it's going to rewrite the whole script again. You can see here it creates prompt 1, which is to create the website structure, and then the second prompt is to upgrade the design. The third prompt is to personalize the website. That is basically how you can use this feature. So the second feature is to turn ChatGPT into any expert. So I'm going to say, act as a professional YouTube growth strategist, analyze my idea. I'm just going to run the prompt right there, and you can see here it says, send me your YouTube idea and I'll analyze it like a YouTube growth strategist, including, you can see here, virality, target audience, search demand versus competition, how clickable the idea is, how to structure the video for retention, thumbnail and title strategy, possible problems with idea, how to improve it to get more views. So once you tell ChatGPT to serve as an expert, it's going to do a great job for you. The third feature we are going to be talking about is to ask ChatGPT to improve its own answer. So if you give ChatGPT a prompt and it generates an answer for you, you can literally ask ChatGPT to improve the answer it gives you. So for example, I'm going to give ChatGPT this prompt. I'm going to basically ask it to give me a YouTube video idea about AI tools. So let's go ahead and run the prompt. So after entering the prompt, you can see ChatGPT went ahead and gave me 10 different video ideas. So you can actually go ahead and tell ChatGPT to improve the prompt. So for example, I'm going to tell it to improve this answer and make it more detailed. So I'm just going to run it here. After I run the prompt, you can see right now ChatGPT is going to go more in depth about the topic it gives me. It's going to tell me the concept of this video. It's going to also tell me example tools that I could use in the video. So this is basically how you tell ChatGPT to give you better results, and this helps you get higher quality responses. All right, so the next feature is to upload files and ask questions about them. All you need to do is to come over here, click on this plus icon, then you go ahead, click on add files, then upload the file. I'm going to upload one of my YouTube thumbnail here. Alright, so after uploading the thumbnail, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to tell me what is going on in the thumbnail, and also how do I recreate this style using Photoshop. So if I go ahead and run this right here, ChatGPT is going to analyze the image, tell me what is going on in the thumbnail, and also tell me step by step how I'm going to recreate this type of thumbnail in Photoshop. You can grab a YouTube thumbnail and upload it to ChatGPT and ask it to analyze the thumbnail and tell you how you can replicate or recreate this. So even though you don't know how to create any thumbnails or do any design, ChatGPT is going to analyze the thumbnail, tell you what to do, what exactly go on in the thumbnail, and show you how to recreate the same thing. This feature is going to basically save you hours of time. Alright, so the next feature is to ask ChatGPT to create a step-by-step plan. Now, most people basically ask random questions, but the truth is that ChatGPT works more better when you ask for structured plans. Alright, so for example, I'm going to tell ChatGPT to create a step-by-step plan to grow a YouTube channel about AI. So I'm going to just go ahead and run the prompt. Once you run the prompt, ChatGPT is going to generate a clear roadmap instead of random ideas. So once you run the prompt, ChatGPT is going to generate a clear roadmap instead of random ideas. So if you want ChatGPT to create step-by-step plans for you, this is what you should do. Alright, so the next feature is to ask ChatGPT to simplify complex information. So for example, if you are reading an article online and you saw that it is complicated, you can literally copy the whole article, paste it into ChatGPT and ask it to explain to you. So for example, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to explain blockchain like I am 12 years old. Now, after running the prompt, ChatGPT is going to basically break everything down for you step by step, just like the way you asked it. Now, this is extremely useful when you are learning technical topics. You can just actually use ChatGPT to help you learn faster by breaking everything down for you in simple terms. Alright, so the next one is using ChatGPT for brainstorming ideas. ChatGPT is excellent for generating creative ideas. For example, you can ask it something like, give me 20 YouTube video ideas about AI. So I'm just going to go ahead, run it. Now instantly ChatGPT is going to generate 20 video ideas around AI. Now this is actually good for brainstorming ideas. Maybe you have a YouTube channel in the AI niche and you want to get ideas for videos. So if you're a content creator, this feature is going to save you hours of time in research. Alright, so the next one is using ChatGPT for data analysis. Now with this feature, all you need to do is to upload data sets or spreadsheets and ask ChatGPT to analyze them. So for example, I'm going to upload a photo of a spreadsheet and ask ChatGPT to identify the most important trend. So you can see here, after that, it is going to tell you the most important trend in the image. Now the last feature is to ask ChatGPT to turn one idea into multiple content pieces. So for example, I'm going to tell ChatGPT to turn this YouTube video idea into a Twitter thread, an Instagram caption, or a blog post outline. Now this is the title I'm talking about, how to make money online with AI. Now this particular feature allows content creators to repurpose content instantly. Now the next feature is to turn ChatGPT into a research assistant, because ChatGPT can summarize huge amounts of information quickly. So let's go ahead and give it a prompt. Alright, so this is what I'm going to ask ChatGPT. I'm going to tell it to research the latest trends in artificial intelligence and summarize them into 5 key insights. So let's go ahead and run it. Now this particular feature helps ChatGPT to act like a personal research assistant. These are 10 ChatGPT hidden tricks that not a lot of people know about them, or some people know about them, but they simply don't know how to make use of them. So thanks for watching. If you do appreciate me making this video, please take a second to leave a like, subscribe, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out anytime I drop another video about AI just like this. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.